Your girl finally did it, like 5 different foundation on my face. 5 different foundation on this face you see right here. Just look at how the look turns out. Like, I'm loving it. It's good. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora, and I am back with another video. From the title, you guys know what I'm doing. I'm doing the mixed you know, the foundation, like all the foundation that I got in this house. I mixed them all up on this face, so you guys should check out the face. See how the face is looking like. It's so damp, like it's soaked. My face is soaked with something, you know, because of all the mixture of foundation on my face. But you know who came up with this? Can you guys tell me who came up with this challenge stuff? It's Voclem. If you don't know Voclem, okay, I will put her channel down below. I'll put her link down below so you can go ahead and check out her channel. She's so awesome. She's an awesome lady. Since I started chatting with her on email, since we started chatting on email, like whatever thing she has, she tell me on email. She's an amazing person, so please go ahead and check out her channel, okay? Without further ado, without talking too much, like without bluffing up and down, okay, Anoras, we know you love talking too much. Go ahead and start this video. Okay guys, so today's video, it's all about the mixed foundation video, and it's a reddish, you know, so you can see me, I'm all in red. Like my nails are red, my lips is red, my eye look, it's red, so it's all about the red. So guys, without further ado, let me not forget to thank you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Like, I know you're here because you want to see what Anora got today, right? So thank you so very much. I appreciate you for stopping by. Without you, there is no Anora out here. So I thank you so very much for putting out time to check me out, to see I'm doing everything. And for the new subscribers, thank you so very much for tuning to my channel. I appreciate you all out there. Like, without you, Anora, it's nothing now. So I thank you guys so very much. So guys, without further ado, let's just get into the video. So everything used in this video will be in the description down below, so please don't forget to go ahead and check them out. But even though I mentioned out of it, but you know, it was quite a lot, so I could not mention also. But everything from the brushes and everything, I will put it down below so you can go ahead and check it out. So guys, without further ado, let's get into our going in with this look. I will go first with my browns. So the thing I've noticed about brown is when I'm going with my browns, I create these 2 straight lines. It's very easy for me to just go in and fill in the browns. So I'll just use the same pencil and I fill the browns. And the pencil I'm using is from Hudabeauty. So I'll move to the next. So when creating your brown, whatever error you make on the browns, just have it in mind that concealer is gonna perfect it out, okay? So whatever mistake you make on your browns, just put your hopes on concealer, okay? So guys, for the concealer, I will be using it's from M.N. now. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is it. This is the concealer. When I'm done with my eyebrow, you can see the eyebrow, it's well done. So I got 5 different foundation here. I'm gonna mix them up. So I'll start with this Kylie foundation, guys. I really find it hard to get my shade of foundation where I am here, so I will just use whatever I have, the M.A.C and all the names, anything I got that is my shade, I just manage it. So guys, I will go in first with this Kylie first. I will use this brush from M.A.C. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit from it. This is not really my shade, you know, pop some quantity here. So I'm just gonna use this amount. I know this is not really my shade, but I'm just gonna manage what I have, you know. Ooh, what? Honors, what's this, girl? So guys, when I'm done with that, I'll just go in now with this Alvin or go in with this, shake it a little bit and pump it. So guys, as you can see my face, I didn't really put quite much because it's not really my shade of foundation. I just put just a little, and this Alvin too, it's not my shade. So guys, I really find it hard in getting my shade of foundation, like seriously. but I think this it's better than the first, right? I think this color it's a little bit better than the first, but still it's not my shade. So I think I'm still gonna pump a little bit, 3 more pumps, and take it now to my forehead. Go in with this and just dump it all over. Guys, I've never carried foundation on my face this much. Oh my god, I've never carried foundation this much on my face, like serious. And this is just the second, like. So now guys, when I'm done with this, I'll just go in now with the third. So guys, the next foundation I'll be using is from L.A.Girl. L.A.Girl, I found this in one of the beauty store around. I know it's an old but this is what I find, so I'll just go in and the pump. And so this is the amount that I got. Just gonna spray it all over my face, and I think this is my shade of foundation. When I saw this foundation, I bought 2 because it's really my shade. Like, I really love the foundation. It's my shade, but it's not full coverage. You can put it like twice or thrice to make it like really cover everything up. Oh my god. Anora got all kinds of colors on her face. If there's anyone who's willing to send me something, please send me foundation. Like, send me foundation. Like, your girl is in need of foundation. Like, I am so in need of foundations. Look at the colors that I got on my face, guys. Oh my god. But this is my shade, for real, for real. So guys, when I'm done with this third foundation, I'll just go in now with this Nabi. This Nabi foundation, guys. The kind of foundation your girl got there, it's terrible, but this is what I could lay my hands. So I'll go in with this. I'll just pop. I'll pop, I think maybe 2, 3. So guys, I'll just go in now and spread it all over my face. And this is my perfect shade. Like, the foundation is so good. They say oil. Did they just say oil free? It's not oil free, you know, because it's full with oil. Like, guys, when I'm done with all that, I'll just go in on my favorite foundation, my L.A.Girl foundation. Like, this is my go-to foundation. I love this foundation so very much. It have me the full coverage. Like, this is the best foundation I've ever found here in Lebanon. Like, this is my shade, and it's just so perfect for my skin. So I'll just go in with this and shake it a little bit in a pump it. So guys, when I'm done, is how everything is looking like. So just go in on my concealer, conceal underneath my eyes. And I even think there's no need to conceal because the foundation itself, it's so just so too much on my face. So I'll just go in a little bit. So I'll go in with this brush. So guys, you guys can see my brush is well clean. Your girl watch her brushes all the day, you know. I watch them all. So now I'll just go in now with the setting powder and I try to set my face up, you know, set it up a little bit. When I'm done with my contour makeup look, my nails it's red, my lipstick has to be red, and my eye look has to be red. So guys, I will just go in with this, they call it Miss Rose palette. So this is how it is from inside. Go in with this red. I'll be using this red on this palette. This is the only palette I have that has red on it. So guys, when I'm done, this is how my eye look. It's looking like everything is been put in place. Now we'll just go in there and try to blend my face up in there with this, and I try to blend this up. Girl, that foundation, it's much like, oh my god, it's just so too much for my face. Like, I have never carried foundation this much on my face, never. I will still put the same red underneath my eyes to match it up. Just go in with this brush and I use the same red. This is how it turns out, so I'll just go in and do the same on the other side. So guys, this is what I'll be going in for my eye look. So this is my eye look, and now I'll just go in and brush up my eyelashes. I won't be putting on any eyelashes, you know, because the makeup itself, it's so too much. So I'll just go in there and brush up my normal eyelashes. Then the Hudabeauty So guys, this is how it is. Like, I just so love this Hudabeauty waterproof mascara. Like, it's so amazing. This Hudabeauty waterproof mascara is so amazing. Like, when I brush my eyelashes with it, it's really so good. So now guys, I'm done with everything. I just go in now, I put in this to cover up my face, you know, just setting powder to set all my face up. So guys, when I'm done with setting my face all up, I'll just go in now with my lip. Guys, I must confess, this foundation look, it's not an easy job, guys. Like, it's just so too much on my face. I don't even know where to start. Like, I've tried to set the face up, it's just messing up. So I'll just go in like this. So I'll go in now with my lip. For my lip, I'll be using this golden red lipstick, and in lining up my lip, I'll be using this Hudabeauty pencil liner, the dark.
Guys, this foundation on my face is too much, like really much.
Guys, when I'm done, this is how my lips, this is how it's looking like. I'll just go in now with my highlight. I'll just go in and highlight my face. Like, guys, this makeup, it's too much on your girl's face. I can't wait to take it off, you know. When I'm done with everything, I'll just go in now and I spray my face all up just to set it down, you know. This foundation is too much, so I just shake it up a little bit and I spray. So guys, this is all about this makeup for today, you know. Your girl finally did it, like five different foundation on my face. 5 different foundation on this face you see right here. Just look at how the look turns out. Like, I'm loving it. It's good, but it's quite heavy. I'm loving the look, but the foundation, it's quite heavy on my face. Like, I feel like I'm carrying out something, you know. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I love you all so very much. Like, I really do appreciate each and every one of you out there setting up time, just bringing out time to watch my video. Like, I really do appreciate you that's watching right there. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you guys so very much. Please do not forget to check out Rocklem's channel. Okay, she came up with this mixed foundation look, you know, and so I'm just so loving it. It's really good. I love it. I love the challenge. It really makes me to work hard on how to put the foundation in, and I damp them well on my face. So I really do appreciate her for doing this little challenge with me. So I appreciate her so very much. So go ahead and check out our channel, okay? Tell her Andora sent you, okay? So guys, so I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all so very much. Peace out.